Welcome to Purple Programming, where we simplify programming with easy to understand whiteboard videos. And today I'll be sharing with you what is SAP EWM or SAP Extended Warehouse Management and provide you with a brief introduction to it. So let's get started. In a nutshell, SAP EWM stands for Extended Warehouse Management and is a part of SAP Supply Chain Management, just like Warehouse Management System. But on the contrary, it provides more robust and advanced features to manage key activities in a warehouse. It is used to efficiently manage inventory in the warehouse and for supporting processes of goods movement, and allows the company to control their warehouse inbound and outbound processes along with the movement of goods in the warehouse. To add here, the main purpose of a warehouse is incoming and outgoing materials, good receipts and good issue, fulfill customer orders and distribution of goods. And simply, inbound process states the storage of goods in the warehouse and their location, and outbound process states picking up the goods wherever a material is stored in a warehouse. It is stored in the storage bin and hence we can find its current location. Further, with the help of SAP Extended Warehouse Management, all goods movement are controlled by a warehouse management system, and it provides us the tools to monitor warehouse activities as well. Here we can easily manage additional functions in the warehouse like creating a serial number, batch number, vendor management inventory, resource optimization and value added services. The SAP EWM allows us to not only monitor the quantity of goods in the warehouse but also manage other critical functions and delivery of goods efficiently. And while many people think that it is like inventory management, well, it is not. Instead, it is completely opposite of it, as inventory management tells the count of goods in the storage location, but its physical location is unknown. On the other hand, warehouse management deals with the goods movement and monitors the physical location of the goods recorded with specific documents. Next, we must note that SAP EWM is also different from SAP Warehouse Management. And while they both seem similar in some sense, SAP EWM provides more features like picking, put away, RF framework, warehouse structure, and more flexible options to manage many functions of the warehouse. Also, we can create new elements like activity area, resources, labor management, and work centers in SAP EWM which are not available in SAP WM. In all, we can say that SAP EWM provides a more robust solution to manage warehouse functions in an organization. It is also part of SAP Supply Chain Management and also supports all processes within the logistic and supply chain. Next, in essence to this, a few of the key features of SAP EWM include: number 1, we can set alert for changed data before goods receipt from EWM to the ERP system, reversal or correction of the goods receipt from EWM to the ERP system, and an inbound delivery split from EWM to the ERP system. Number 2, with SAP EWM, we can also perform deconsolidation of handling units which contain different products before putting them away in different storage sections. Number 3, it allows us to perform executable tasks like work packages that tells warehouse employees to perform a set of tasks as a part of warehouse management activities. Number 4, we can determine storage concepts using slotting for products and optimize the arrangement of the goods in warehouse automatically. Number 5, it also allows us to manage and track vehicles as well as transportation units from the yard check-in to yard checkout, including movements and other tasks within the yard. Additionally, we can also use cross-docking function that allows us to perform transportation of handling units across different distribution centers or warehouses till they reach their final location in the warehouse. Number 6, in SAP EWM we can use Warehouse Cockpit that allows us to display warehouse key features graphically and to evaluate or monitor activities using defined chart types. As you all know that in SAP ERP, a warehouse number is used to represent the physical warehouse where all the material is stored. For those who don't know about this, a warehouse number is a 3 or 4 character field in the warehouse management or EWM respectively. These warehouse numbers are created in ERP system, and to activate it, we use a combination of plant and storage location assigned to the plant in the system. And while we are at this, let's discuss different types of storage units in a warehouse system that are available at different levels. Starting with warehouse number. Now, just like we just discussed, each warehouse consists of warehouse numbers, which is at the highest level in a warehouse management system. Each warehouse number consists of substructure that maps the warehouse relationship. Next, storage type. A storage type is a 4-character name and shows a physical or a logical subdivision of a warehouse. There are different types of storage where products are physically stored in a warehouse, such as open storage, goods issue, goods receipt, and racks. Also, we must note that storage type can consist of one or more storage sections and bins. Next, storage section. This is a part of storage type and represents a group of bins with the same characteristics. Commonly used storage sections are fast moving and slow moving items, etc. Next, storage bin. The storage bins represent the physical location of a storage space where the products are being stored in the warehouse. They are the lowest level of organization structure, and when we store an item in a warehouse, we need to mention its exact location. Next, activity areas. Now, storage bins are further categorized into activity areas. It includes activities like picking, put away, or physical inventory. Here, as per the activity, we can assign the same storage bin to multiple activity areas. Next, quant. The quantity of goods in the storage bin is represented by quant. Also, the quant is used for managing inventory in the storage bin. Graphically, these all can be depicted as follows. Lastly, we must know that a warehouse process type is used to define the activity or movement of each process in a warehouse. It deals with each warehouse process like packing, good receipt, good issue, and is assigned to each warehouse task document. In a sense, a few different categories of warehouse processes are predefined in the EWM system, and these include stock removal, put away, internal movement, goods receipt posting, goods issue posting, physical inventory, and cross-line put away. And we can easily create them by going to the warehouse task option in the cross-process setting. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, feel free to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.